Heritage Volkswagen of South Atlanta, home of Atlanta's award-winning service department. Spring into service savings. See things more clearly when you save $12 on new wiper blades. Keep things clean with Monster Mats, only $65 for a set of 4. We also have $20 off any service. Come cash in on the savings. For service you can trust, visit our Heritage Volkswagen of South Atlanta store, located just 20 minutes south of Atlanta off I-85, or online at atlantavolkswagen.com. You can also visit our Heritage Volkswagen of Lithia Springs store, located just 20 minutes west of Atlanta off of I-20, or online at atlvw.com. Thank you for choosing Heritage Volkswagen for all your automotive needs.